We're going to begin by looking at numbers 1 through 10 in Hebrew. Now you may know how to count to 10 in German or French or Spanish. Now you're going to learn how to count to 10 in Hebrew. Look at your screen with me. On your screen, you're going to see 4 columns of Hebrew numbers. There's the masculine set of numbers in the first 2 columns, and the feminine set of numbers in the second 2 columns, numbers 1 through 10. We're going to begin by looking at the masculine absolute column, the first column on the left. This is the column that you want to memorize. These are the lexical forms of the numbers. Let's say these numbers together. You follow along as I read. Echad, Shnayim, Shalosh, Arba, Chamesh, Shesh, Sheva, Shemoneh, Tesha, Eser. Those are numbers 1 through 10 in Hebrew in the masculine absolute. Let's say them again together quickly. Echad, Shnayim, Shalosh, Arba, Chamesh, Shesh, Sheva, Shemoneh, Tesha, and Eser. Now that's the only line that you need to memorize in terms of vocabulary, the singular, masculine, absolute. In the other categories and in the other columns, you'll see that the other forms of the word, you'll see that the other forms of the numbers are related to the masculine, singular, absolute. Let's look again at the screen. And we'll look at the masculine construct category of Hebrew numbers 1 through 10. All of the forms in this particular column follow the normal rules of the construct state. The only exception is number 1, where you get a slightly different spelling from the Segol comets in the absolute category to the pathic in the construct category. But that type of change is not too much or too difficult to identify. In the feminine category, you have both absolute and construct nouns as well, and they take feminine singular and feminine singular construct endings. Simply take special note of numbers 1 and 2 in those categories. Their spellings are a little bit different. Once you've memorized the masculine absolute forms of numbers 1 through 10, all of the other forms should be easy to recognize.